Hello and welcome guys. In this video I will show you how to repair your MS Word file. So guys, if you are facing problem to open and you have issues to open your MS Word document, so just easily in few seconds you can repair your MS Word document. Visit this website. It's a very famous Wondershare website and type this URL repairit.wondershare.com word repair. Now download this software and follow three steps. First step, add your corrupted MS Word document to the software. Second step, click on repair button, and third step, open your corrupted file and save it. So this is the way guys you can repair your MS Word document using this software. Thanks for watching and please comment this video useful for you or not.